The touch and move driving support is an electric drive for the active and passive JOYinCARE hoists. It is an intuitive drive that makes working with the hoist lighter and less physically demanding for the caregiver. Press the power button on the control panel. Do not grasp the handlebar until the hoist has started. By pressing against the push handle, the extra wheel starts to move. This also makes the hoist easy to maneuver in smaller spaces. To move the hoist, push or pull the handlebar. Do this slowly so that the hoist can sense which direction you want to move. Do you want to make a turn? Stand next to the hoist and grab the spreader bar with one hand. This makes it physically a lot lighter. The good use indication helps you to use the hoist properly and to warn you in case of physical overload. The light under the smiley lights green when you use the hoist calmly and with the right force. Push less hard and more slowly when the light turns red. Get into a relaxed position and focus on your surroundings. This way you avoid collisions. Charge the hoist regularly. Drive the hoist to the desired location and connect the charger. The user-friendly charging point can be found on the right side of the control panel. The hoist switches off automatically during charging. In case of an emergency, use the emergency system. First press the emergency button and then lower the patient by turning the orange Allen key at the top of the mast. For the smooth and gentle move, use the red handle on the motor. When the emergency button is used, an alarm is triggered and all electrical functions are switched off. Turn the button to the right to deactivate it. The alarm stops and the hoist switches itself off. The hoist automatically switches to standby after 15 minutes and completely switches off after 30 minutes. You can switch it off manually by pressing and holding the on/off button. The emergency button is not intended for this. For more information, please contact us.